tiba shadow, his shadow sorry my new judge sorry fama, the hot tiba shadow, his shadow jojo so my new judge jojo fama, the jojo TSIIDOMAI是ta生活的白血肉。
Poesia, sisu. Poesia, sisu. Hu tu tu nu, su hu ho di bai she, su hu mai nu, su va mat zi a man ho di bai she do, chu su mai nu, chu du va mat zi ho di bai she do.
Suri zi mai nu, suri va mat zi ho di bai she ro. Zo du su mai nu, zo du va mat zi zo du to bai we. Mai shi tu si, ta su ho di bai she ro.
Su hu ma re ma la moi, ma ru fe ma nu, lu ta ma zi mo, ru a nu hu we, kai de shu kao bu de. Chu su ma ma la moi, kai ko ma rai lu a, fe le ma we, ma ke ma we bu a, chu su cha we.
Sorry, the ma la moi, da ka nu, ri ze de sa, ji ka ma ru zi we ya, do kai ma sa bi ma na ri bai ze bo shi.
Zo du su ma ya ma la moi, chu ma je zi ma na nu, di ra la mai nu, te lai lao mai nu, zo du do shi ro.
He bai do cho ko po ma ya, shi lo cha ha we te lo cha ha we. He ya he ge lo sa ma ya, shi lo cha ha we te lo cha ha we. He ya he sorry zi mai we, shi lo cha ha we te lo cha ha de. He hadi jojo so my sir, she lo trouble we te lo trouble we.
Shaka Poumai, Shiluka Hawaii, Tailuka Hawaii. Kiluka Somaya, Shiluka Hawaii, Tailuka Hawaii.
Suri zo my re, Shiluka buwe, Tailuka hawe. So you so my sir, Shiluka buwe, Tailuka buwe. He buwe mapo, apia zade kids, vodio tramapo. Apia zade kids, meme damapo. Apia zade kids, marashu. Here shu, hore, topo chu saja. Tere ipo chu weji. Kumashi we marshara hati tere sonada.
Ma po pa zi re, ki zi vo du ko. Ma po pa zi re, ki zi meme da. Ma po pa zi re, ki zi marashu. Hore to bu ju, ta po ju sa. Tere ipo ju e. Jiku mai shi we, mai shi ha gu di. Tere su ni ro.
He buwe mapo, apia zade kids, vodio tramapo. Apia zade kids, meme damapo. Apia zade kids, marashu. Here shu, hore, topo chu saja. Tere ipo chu weji. Kumashi we marshara hati tere sonada.
Kalau sore sprouting org academy mai to ni low voi pai po mai vi low voi supie low thete moni artha vi show you hai low hin da pa lo ni supie ale pi to vi performance ai ngolo ni ngoi sore ru kha sore ni mai hala ru kha show le ni lo che ta ku re hi ro pi ma hai ni hai zani pi ma voi ni supie to ni ito pi to encourage supie le khe ni pau nai has ito example of voi li i Poumai school proprietors mai to dam hai ito ni do lu vi ju to li bi Poumai school hi hai Poumai private curricular activities hai ta hai dot li incorporate sulu ni nya mai hai gini do pula za bai tau lai ni encourage supui nai okay ito competition we events ni judges mai to pi to have Paulo Francis hai to hin ve ni Paul right organizing committee mai to we ja hi ni judges mai to okay color chỉ to next ta cuối số lẽ chú hay acknowledgement hay presentation views lẽ chú xin ngồi chú aliron ít to này chú central organizing committee mai tao bây giờ hi nên give bây lại ta biểu phải thì này bây giờ organizing committee mai tao ban thao thục biểu rồi
cho lo le jito satapayu putupu ninu ma kimaye jishi ngoyu tili hana pa wana ni cho lo pau na be jito tele ti ye zo jito hi tawi se du su pa bi ju aya jito do pi la ju aya se pa no jito wi so wala ju ha su to wi mcham zo ju pa la ju ma to jitili mam masu nguzo hi pa ju singo pa se la Savano Rara Kosano, Zojito, special guest Supibiju, Supilaju, Poumai Paza Philemon, Managing Director, Vices Life Science Prevail Latitude, Nino Lishano, Buhino Lalano, Jito we PNTM President we Bohino, Jitono Lishisone, Sodakati Biju, Nado Titi Liha, Kochu Pupu the Trollosola. Trolo de musuhino zojito hi mdopilaju resource person KH Sele Anthony former director HRD Northeastern Council and Joint Registrar JNU Nelishano jito PNTM President Bohino jito no sudakati notiti takapu trolo la Trolo musuhino piano zojito hi dopilaju pavine polina y clinical psychologist district mental health program sanapati nelishino jito president hino jito no sodakati notitili takupu trolo sula Trolo ayasapino musuhino zojito program juvitile hanahi so sathapiju H Vilu Potui research scholar IT Gandhinagar hino viju nia lishana jito vi president hino ku titi not titi lipu petrol sula Aya musuhino Naga Public School special item sepilaju Naga Public School nimatal dishenu takupu petrol sula cho lối một số hình giữ chỉ tàu võ học sự võ ra với hi một trăm giữ chỉ bây mà tàu ra khó sơn easy rating hi một trăm giữ chỉ bây mà tàu ngore ng nét lịch sử tàu cứ bây giờ cho lối ngore ng một số hình ngopun surveyor Rabika Soto Dr. Mati Siba Pimata Hulusha B for a Hatsin Son spelling B Vesinpu Lisha Topo Petrol Aya Helen Kule Taga Susu Toko Petrol Sule Musuhino painting hi mcham zuju premato lucky po lisha to rupo LV Joseph KV Lisisan lucky po LV Joseph KV Lisisan pimato hai vile mo pore nanu jon supesele musuhino storytelling hi ju piramato sapun nipyo RD Thale Ala DST Musunahino lazy to special items po use protein out academy ni mata top petrol sula lazy to special items po use protein out academy ale akhai sana jitowi Poumai ti hinu mama snapti town area hinu jito Poumai ne school proprietor so biju aya principal so bi mato nimato ha hi to bi lo bi de listen nimato bi hinu la ha hi to jito as organizing committee matana sadakati gifti ti lu popo ya schools proprietors ale principals ha hi bi lo bi de listen nimato malili liki po mabima listen ha hi to la jitana sadakati nan to pu petrol sole school with proprietors aya principals listen PNTM BPU de le lishene ta to petrol la. Okay, trolo de ana khase sule, thank you.
Kalore, organizing committee mai tawni. Ju singo ju, tele putu pui wani. Ju ito announcement ali. Storytelling hai spelling BV registration churo soni bi he. Mai tarli school tarli hi representatives mai pima storytelling hai spelling B hi pima lolai suda biluz ni to churku registration desk hini ko register soloni pitoni rules and regulation hai to pu usulati rai tini mai tarli so mobiluz ko so piluz kalolai. Once again, I would like to remind the schools to ensure that the students participate in all the events, and the registration for storytelling and spelling bee is still open. So you may come forward to the registration desk and register for your students so that they can participate in these events. Next, speech. Poumai vi low ali sule luz mon drama ali sule luz hall lo dai za phuk khabra ni chi pole luz ki pa pa da khabra nature school attention da khabra chi pa da li hi ha je vi ho shi di biz pole mo ni da ha su ni zu ju bi le ke ti ni ju ma zu show you I da ha gi ni hall ha lo ni wa ru bi ha them ra resource persons my speakers my gi wait happen I da za khou ju ya hi ni ko li ni ve phat zeli Khamyani kulini kaijo like it, the Doluju, Mahini Doluju Haito, Hak Kali Hai, Savani, Vako ni Bu my taro. Hol Hitaluni Kulini Puzzle. A speech I can use like it. Joe, I would like to give the time to Mr. Poumai Paza Philemon. Pine Tapa, the Lepu is a colole.
Good afternoon to all the members of the PNTM. We see you, shock you. Zilano, we see you, shock you. The moderator in the pore, we see you, ha. The grace, you might have we saw no. We see you, shock you, and you might have wait about greetings so be. Rada Kano. PNTM President he aya PV executive colleagues mai tang he tro lu pau be daiwan lu za titili a he pino phone call so la no Mr. Philemon, you are very popular because you look very handsome. Therefore, I think this is the right time to come and show your handsome face to the people of the Poumai. So I said, why not? Let the Poumai see the beauty of my face. So that is how I obliged to his invitation. Seriously, good afternoon. Little louder, good afternoon. Yes, I'm very happy. First of all, I would like to address honorable resource persons. Two honorable resource persons are there. Esteemed PNTM President and his executive colleagues, distinguished guests, respected elders, and to you all, my dear friends or my dear students. It is an absolute honor for me to join this event for this exciting or a wonderful general conference called Inter-School Literary Meet and Culture Program. I'm sure this conference will definitely open the eyes of many people. I'm sure this will definitely help many people to make a good decision after learning so many things from this event. We have very prominent resource person who will be able to open the mind of young people since this is a student organization, I'm sure many students are here. I'm sure many people who are looking for a job. This event could be an event of transformation, an event of impact, an event of something that can open everyone to follow and achieve greatness in life. Let this day be the dawn of a new mission for the Poumai Naga TSIIDOMAI Poumai Student Union. Why this be the new mission for the Naga TSIIDOMAI? Why I say this? Because I felt that after few years, many will be saying aloud, because of that event at Vako, at Karong, because of that PNTM General Conference, Inter-School Literary Meet, and Culture Program, because of that day, because of those resource person, because of that speech of that particular person, has changed my life, and today I am what I am because of that person. Let this be the day of a dawn for a new mission. Because every gathering throughout the last 10, 20, 30 years, we have been regularly gathering in this manner. But for what purpose? Do we have any intention? Do we have a clear dreams? Do we have a clear vision? Do we have a very clean intention? What purpose do we have? Most of the time, we organize events, programs, but without knowing exactly what is the purpose of that event. Let this event be the event where there is a clarity of vision, where there is a clarity of intention, where there is a clarity of purpose. In that manner, only we will be able to transform. Only in that way, we will be able to grow as a tribe, as an individual. Everybody wants success. We all know. How many are students here? Can you raise up your hand? How many are students? Okay, please put down your hand. How many are jobless people who are looking for a job? Oh, nobody. Everybody is employed, right? So I'm very happy to know that everybody is employed. See, this is what I want to share with each and every one of you. Everybody wants success, but only few are willing to work hard for it. You ask today yourself, am I really want to be successful? Do I really work hard to achieve my goal or my dream? Everybody wants to be rich, but only few are willing to grind day and night for it. Everybody wants to be healthy like me, but only few are willing to do exercise, eat very organic foods, and stay very disciplined. Everybody wants to find freedom in life, but only few are willing to take responsibility from the young age and make tough choices and take big decisions. Everybody wants to change, but only few are willing to change. So, everybody wants to be successful. everyone to be rich, everyone to be healthy, everybody wants freedom, everybody wants change. But the real question is, how many are truly willing to pay the price to be successful, the price to be rich, the price to be healthy, the price to find freedom? My dear friends, we know nothing comes free in this fast changing world. How many are using mobile phone? Can you raise? Can you take out your mobile phone? Can you open your phone? Can you put out your light? Or you're too serious? Come on! Can you put on the light and put its wave? Some others are still did not put up. See, such a beautiful scene when we look at it. Okay, thank you very much. Nothing comes for free. Mobile phone doesn't come for free. So, my dear friends, what I'm trying to say here, and since it is a student organization, and many students are here, I would like to encourage each and every one. The world is very competitive. I have been traveling around the different states in the country, of course, even outside of the country, 10 to 15 countries I have visited. And I see lots of difference between the Poumai community and the Singapore community, the Poumai community and the Dubai community. Why? What is the difference? I think this is the right time for us to reflect, because we have the right person who can give us like the light which you have put on in the mobile phone. Let that be the light with this knowledge in which you are going to learn after my short, I think my time is up or not. If up, you please put mobile phone, the light and show me, okay? See, the world is very competitive. This is what I want to address to the student especially. You cannot stay lukewarm. If you are studying, study as though this is the only survival. Otherwise, you are going to die. I have once shared in one of my talk about an ancient truth from Greek philosophy. I think that really resonates deeply with our journey as a Poumai community, striving for growth and development. And that growth and development doesn't start from our politician. That growth and development starts from every individual. As a student, as a graduate, student has got a student body plays a very vital role to bring growth and development. They categorize humanity into three types of people: the idiots, the tribesmen, and the citizens, in which I have shared earlier once. Idiots are not foolish people, but they are self-centered, only thinking for themselves. Society with such people will never grow and develop. We have to scrutinize ourselves whether our Poumai community is a group of idiots. It is not foolish, who are self-centered. As a backward tribe, we cannot afford that kind of people, either in political leadership, either in social leadership, or either in religious leadership. We cannot afford to have such type of leadership. The second group of people is the tribesmen, who always think for your own circle of friends. My growth and only my people. I think that also not very good for our society. But the third category of people is the citizens. They call it as the citizens. They are broad-minded, always for the well-being of the growth of the community and the society. I think we have to look for this kind of people. My dear friends, let us keep this thought in our mind. Now, I'm not a political agent. I'm not a religious agent. I am an entrepreneur. So I can speak whatever I want, right? Can I get your permission? Can I speak whatever I want? So this is what I want to request each and everyone. Let us take a good resolution during this event. Yes, I shall not be corrupted. I shall always work hard. I shall become successful. You will see many people are celebrating their success. When is my celebration? Let us take like that in our mind and start working hard. So with these thoughts, let us, when we depart after this event, tomorrow onwards, let us have a different thoughts, different mindset, different dreams, different vision, with clear vision, clear dreams, clear intention, clean intention, and with a good purpose, let us strive towards for the growth of ourselves, for the growth of our community, and for the growth of our tribe. So thank you very much. Thank you all, and may the Poumai Student Union continue to inspire and lead us towards progress and unity. God bless each and every one of us. God bless our tribe, Poumai. Thank you very much.
Kalau chores Sir Philemon ni, jangan show ni itu Poumai nale mai tahu sebujuan ni, piwi personality, piwi jaya dong ngolo ni, learn show itu ngolo ni piwi excitement, piwi energy hai ngolo ni, mai hala inspire sulai dia lucu. Piwi ni baju macam show itu ni, puluh video hai, takure, kona tarli hi nada mera, ipu mai ki, nada mera, clarity of vision, aliro intention hai setulu ni nada kau itu piwi hai. Tina macam show di sesuai ini, juga taruh apa show ni, tina macam show tina aliro, main ni semua ju, main ni pelmo ju, hai main ni kau ni sulai loser, Poumai macam ni, we have to take the road less traveled, main ni varos so kupu, aliro decision hai tough decision pu kau itu ni, pilih hai kini highlight supu ju, pilih speech hai tau hai itu, nale mai tau doni, macam sulai do mai tau doni, macam show ini lucu, sebab ni kalau jah. Ju itu next ni takui sulai. Next ni roju session. Itu awi resource person here pilih. Itu awi resource person number 1 hai Mr. Cage Saleh Anthony. Pini pa telepon zakalo le.
Will you hear? Will you hear? So my little rock emoji. Very disciplined in time. Very disciplined. Organizer में तो नहीं बाजी दाल इपके दे ये. Mini ले कुछ popular में second ले कुछ रहा because ताई कुल जो ले रहा होता है ताई कुल मुझे पाव हाँ पहले तो नहीं. So कुरो बिजु special guest Philemon resource person पावन है पी है कुल ने you will not to melin nalon bira you will put to melin you love you need let you be well there they so pay PN kenake will lunake will in bibige washure so go to you other co John as a go PNTM president pu colleagues beto compare so pu some judges meto jam meto matsu suni nyameto laido meto kalau sore, ia have the opportunity doing all this and cope you very otra. Ini student money, tay sapu pasani, PTM, football coach, volleyball coach, zeta jido. Sebakale zekai muju program organize huo tini suggest huo you very otra. Kalau sore PTM executive meto organizing committee meto lamochur in Poumai. I Poumai. Pulau bayi depan ni, kau ni rai ke pulang pawe le, kau le suama lah di laut cire, Poumai le, jipu depan ni, rai KKYSO ni, career ti dah tiga, iup de Poumai tahu dia dah ni cire Poumai, nama tu ni Poumai jauh tu mera, jaselin Poumai dah cibai nak kau ni macam le kirap de pura problem lah. Anak pura, nama chulur juga le, cici kau dah, kana sula vui le dah, kana sula kau le dah, ทีนี้โจลมาใบเดียวมันทีนี้ลีโจเบนะสิ่งที่บุกตามเราจะกรอบอยู่เป็นมาต่อน้ามาต่อให้เวลามาต่อกีตาเวบกี้เอานี่อินี่พอยน์ใกล้เลยเปล่าพี่นี่อัลลิกุจระเขาเนี่ยพวกวาสุเปรย์ที่จุกเลยจ้ะเนี่ยลิมันเนี่ยลิสิทุสิเลยอีปูไรจูรุปาร์เอาตัวเนี่ยตัวกินไล่ดูเท่าอีปูชิรุงกูไรได้ปาร์อันน่ะดูลูจูที่เปล่าตัวใครหาย there's no end to learning till you close your eyes your breath เนี่ยเท่มกุเต I'm learning ยินดีต้องดูเปล่าตัวevery step I take I learn เนี่ยนั่นเลยแม่สับว่ากี้ your thinking become young your ideology also change according to the situation ทีนี้อีกนั่นเลยแม่ตัวพอแล้วตัวอีนี่ youth student organization we function อะไรที่จุด I never miss and I don't want to miss also that's whyเนี่ยwhatever little thought I give it to you if you accept it and implement that will be my happiest moment in my life ทีนี้ your career counseling แต่ละให้เนี่ย question อยู่ไปมันก็เลยสระอีผู้ไม่น่า question อยู่เลยจำว่าเย่นี่ school นี่นะ college I have gone to almost every school every college I interact with students I interact with faculties teachers parents but question นี่อยู่เลยจำว่าทีนี้what would you choose at any point of time even midnight you can call me or you can text me I'm ready to give my time to you especially to the students ทีนี้ career ที่ได้ที่อยู่ตัวเรอีผู้มาลานี่ได้ที่กันเนี่ยนี่สู้นจูอีนี่สู้นจูเนี่ยนี่สู้ลุสู้อีนี่สู้ลุสู้ผู้เท่านั้น career ที่ดูตัวเร government service ไลฟ์นี่ career ที่ no ตาตามัน career business มัน career entrepreneurs มัน politician มัน career social activist มันพอไม่จะไปอยู่รามันเนี่ยได้ talent ไปดีที่พูดพวกว่าสุดโต่งรู้จักเจ็บไหมไม่ตัวเลี้ย service นี่โจรจับเป็นอะไรซะ camera ซะ office นี่เจ้าชูจิโลนี่ office camera ใส่ดอกตัวละตัวเองนี่ that is not happiness เกเรช่วยกี่ตัวเป็นผู้ไม่ตาตาไม่ตัวว่าเชื่อนี่จับเป็นจับหัวโลเวกเขาแค่ไม่เป็นปีที่นี่ darling ที่นี่จิจับเขาที่ไปวางมันเลยอยู่ตัวเร so that is also career อีตอนนี้ว่าสุดได้สู้เราตัวเร central government ที่กูเรียกนี่ป่วย central government ตัวเรให้นี่ถูกฮัลกิตาปะให้นี่ถูกฮัลกิตาปะแบบนั้นถูกมรดกแบบนี้เท่าไหร่ส่วนนี้ my wish นี่ service ตัวมั้งหัวสู้ตัวมั้งลูกสู้ไม่ตัวมั้งโกงไม่ตัวมั้งไล่เรื่องไม่ตัวมั้งปู่ว่าสุกมาใครดีแบบส่วนนี้เนี่ยว่าตายเลยสู้ตัวมั้งซาสักวันนี้เนี่ยซาว่ายุ่งเอาเนี่ยปู่ฮันนักกู้ผู้รู้ที่สุกคนเลยเจ๊จีอยู่เกเรที่นี่กูไรไม่ตัวเลี้ยอีกชั่วแต่ graduate ลูกแก post graduate ลูกแกservice ลูกแกทีนี้สักชั่ววิมา no that is not the end that is only beginning ไม่ปาร์ตี้อยู่ตัวเรศทีนี้ไล่ตัวไม่ตัวเรศเนี่ยตัวได้สุลสิที่ชูนี่พอเลยไรก็สุนี่ได้สุนเกนี่วิตาเลนได้เกรามันนี่ได้ไปกันดีเกที่พูดจุลรักเขาตัวเรศไม่เนี่ยตาลตาไม่เนี่ยบุลบุไม่เนี่ยหัวละหัวไม่เนี่ยจิลจิไม่เนี่ยไก่ละไก่ไปสุลมุขเขาตัวเรศเนี่ยจะป้าไปได้เกเนี่ยตาตาไม่ลีวิลสุลสิที่ก็ why not ไม่ไว้จะไล่ตัวคุณละตาตาไม่ลีตัวได้ตัวละแหน่งตัวละหูวิปุตัวละมูทุบตัวละมู I want some of you to become a good entrepreneur become a good farm manager technology ใส่แบบชัวร์นะอีตัวละลูกเขาทิ้งไก่เลี้ยไก่แล้วโอ้ plenty ปูเรติโมมาทิ้งหลักดิสุราได้หรอ everything is mechanized เสือไปเข้าโลนี่ลุตาตาเจชีราลุสูเจหัวราสูเจสมมติ service ไม่เว้น service ว่าก็ต้องวิวตัวหายทุกวิวตัวหายเลยสินี่ตาตาแกอีหัวสูแกอีวางเอาหมดกันทีนี้เลิกว่าใครสอ number one career Number 2, commitment. Swamne. Nene soul idea you must do it. Do or die spirit. My idoma ne jilamo. My do the ne hole. Ne to no bidoma hiache. Ne show no bra. Ne we target achieve sulmokti. You'll have to commit yourself fully. Mine lari do get do. Mine tata get tata. Mine huso. No, that is not going to do now. Taylor later out there. Dawi to the people many tatalo vipusulu ni po koto vai bima. You tony vai biro. Dawi shemeki like the luni po die 40-45 years ago. Shemeki like the lovega nearly key vitamin maha. Uncle Nini, Akine vai, Auntie Akine vai, Malin vai, Jew Mali Kukamara out there. Mara Ikukamara, E Mara Kukamara, because society have changed. Then you'll have to struggle yourself. Whatever profession you choose. Hanape commitment. Number 3, conviction. Do or die spirit. If others can, why not me? Mine is always you, there's also some there. You pick opera, my pick opera, my baha, my puya. Ramani, everybody has given the talent. Everybody has given the gift. Convictionally. So you go. Ito, matsuso ni Poumai Naga, we are so complacent people. They lutata ture, the pure patu was red, and you come rare. The Porakataga, you walking over Beshiri, Chota, told people, no, that days is gone. You and nation have been one until Halagashire, because system has changed. So, we must be consistent in what we do. You do you now, program you elect donor government service ma put on my king para government service ma high about all those donors, cheap pattern donors are all entrepreneurs. Business struggle so many sana come. They know they don't get money easily. The sweat. When others are sleeping, they are awake and work. So, see, we are facing a cutthroat competition. So you are among those competitors. Any complacency, you are not going to reach a destination. You will drop in the middle or dali cover suni ne suvetilo hai sani lishini birubuju matsusuni laidometo. Take a resolution today from this conference. Don't go by wave. My medical target, my engineer, my civil service target, my shepherd is no. That is not going to achieve your goal. What lies in you? What am I capable of? Ini solusi awi talent daige. Mine talata, mine jileji, mine tolato. Nivi achieve suluho. That is it because his or her talent is different from yours. Ikilma people mata pomnaga. My nama ni tare. Namani interest mano my tag and yet ta. Ne engineer pidol don't want to force it. Please never do that. Forgive me. My talent lies somewhere. In the popular takuhe. In his so not been put subo request law. Nene what is wrong? You must become a professional singer. If you are a player, you must become a professional player. If you are a good business mind, go for business. If you have a creative mind, you can do a lot of creative work. You can sit at home and earn your livelihood. So Ramani that talent we type in Subalini. Mine talata, mine whole the time has changed now. Ito the Daisuvan ito Why do we choose the career? That's why the career ali permanent pa yu phoge. Why you have chosen the career? So now how to fulfill? Kaki nature so lero. By dreaming at home? By eating only at home? No. You'll have to get up and walk. Every success starts with a single step. Money to shortcut. That shortcut will not do. Maybe for time being, temporary phase better now. If you want to become a really successful person, you'll have to consistently work. Consistently talk kai money. Ni vasure le ni ngole. So go jo ni with career jusulu tepe ni how to fulfill now. You'll have to work. That's the only way. You'll have to desire libile. Kali ni mai kai libi mo go see. You are not going to achieve your dream. So ama lalin Paul saying a librana. You can take the horse to the pond, but you cannot force the horse to drink until and unless the horse is thirsty. Ne ini really chuali jepin repin sapu vilse. Ana rie chona rimojo ni suju the kalama. Huana ni re ni the kanabreto repeat to yolu the katabla. Sujamin imera ni so muju pin you are liberated to go. Everything is possible. The world is open for you. But ni desire, sumaju, willingness, hana hare to go. Ni pepuni school vivili, tuition vivili, sabana vivili, to show vivili with them. They are not going to write exam for you. By the way, you are going to write exam and achieve. So ni nalemeto, so kurubi nalemeto. In it, na pangona. So you go, Joe. When to fulfill your dream, your career? Do it all. When you are young. When you are young. Near academy year lalani, kaiku exam thaladi tomorrow. Even if you cry, the time will not permit you. So when the iron is hot heat, nale bikini. It can build up step by step. My tolio solo with them rod. Kulelo cholo and talk a little more labia. Go do data be motor. Think of your talent, think of your capability, think of your efficiency, and think of your achievable goal. Achievable goal. Solo sir double ni, e third class ma alini. Scientists ali solo dia. It's a joke. So ni solo sir, ini solo sir pin solo bao. But once you step in, nini lo pay kak kaubini tailor dis nobody can stop you. I'm telling you. Career service lo tuma promotion musa departmental exam bura. You can go on deputation to other department to grow. You can shift from one organization to other organization, provided you try. Provided you try. So community to go ito hai so will hai. So ni yo cho ni to hi now le ma to hi commandment kiru. 10 commandment ima 10 amodo ni to hi peace advice. Te ango kiru le pin no first and foremost, choose your career wisely. Nejo civil service tality chore. Suppose you have chosen that I will become a civil servant. Either UPSC exam or MPSC exam tality chore. Post that talo makai de kai go boy pare ni hai sulo de ni ko ali chusu da kai jo how much time you have wasted. So you choose your career wisely. Number 1, very wisely you must choose. Number 2, set your goal very, very clear. In his soul, I will do it, whatever may come. No force on earth can stop me. Ini sulaitip, I will do it. Whether it is small, no matter. But nini sulaitip ni with desire fulfills. That is the happiest moment in your life. Number 2, set your goal very clearly, okay? And number 3, set your goal which is achievable. Solo ni solo hota ni so kai we will become a frustrated person. Once a person becomes frustrated, that is the worst thing in life. Mine correct la tui de la hona mine mud la kala. Mine to word la to shit de mo. Once you are frustrated, everything becomes bitter and everything looks dark. So set your achievable target. Number 3. Number 4, plan meticulously. Ni MBBS thala start from class 9, 10 onwards. 12 children ni thala ni coaching lo pada is too late. You'll have to decide from the high school level. That is what I want to do in life. And you'll have to start reading. Kuko exam ko, medical ko, engineering ko, civil service ko, or whatever service you want to do, you'll have to plan meticulously, consciously and carefully. Moni chucho ni not khai ko chodare you are going to waste your time. That is number 4. Number 5, start with a single step. Ita naga mane thiani, chuki me lo chun lo lai tila. But you cannot. You'll have to go step by step ni tala. Sini every achievement starts with a single step. Nini KKYSO lego kakutil mutul lakala. Sini please start with a single step. Number 6, work consistently. Ito mai kai kai dia mai re ira so ama la le quotation le pakali fattening pig on a market day dosha avoda like it you need to ko vile wo no you have to feed the pig consistently jebene ito ro kere ali echi so le go you'll have to work consistently. Student ma please do it planning mai to le kala pura kahin let la pepu ne value jitma ye lari full hin lari sakul you wasted all day and night playing mobile or gossiping roaming around exam ko thalet learning burning the midnight lamp thajo pura ka sulo ni ji so your memory also become very very weak. That's why neji tulu mo sa right ke pop time lo ka exam ko so lai you kai hat it that is not going to help you in long run. Near pass mobile exam you can pass, but it will not retain in your memory. So work consistently. Now, jo nini baja ngung lari politics ko whatever may come on the way, you will have to read 5 hours in a day. Simple example. You either conference pe roma, take the silly you wasted here because 5 hours to come. Near kaya bagi, ini hai karong ko PTM conference buni take the silly kare, baji kingul kare. So next time I'll make it up 6 or 7. Within 10-15 days, whatever you lost 15 hours here, you can make up. So you determination you darka mo tre. So you trade nini sule dipe sulu ho you to alihai. So ni jo liao single step ni shashun taram ha. Jo you'll have to speed up. Even the lari po po sharp abel tre. People will say ni lari po pule ni po those are wrong advice. Nobody become mad by studying hard. Nobody, I have never seen anybody. If you have a habit of reading, parents need not tell, teacher need not tell, it has become a habit. My toli, some have shown a newspaper, more cut over to Lodi, my habit, Puluga, newspaper, Savimusa, Kema shown a charge of a church or Motida Buma. Likewise, Kirati Bra, Larry Ibra, Sini, Nalemeto. Number 8, never give up on the way. Never give up. Life is full of problems. Maybe family condition problem, boyfriend, girlfriend problem, your peers problem, teacher-student relationship problem. The world is full of problems. But you'll have to face all this. This is a part of life. You are going to be left behind. It is your loss. Nobody else. Then you never give up on the way. Till you achieve, keep on struggling. Next point, number 9. Never be complacent. Please don't do that. Ito Poumai na meritorious award baka high severe. Topper. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Poumai ramalisi in topper pada sirai. Ana ini 6, 7 years, 10 years record you bagi. Toppers achievement is very, very less. Why? Because they're complacent. You top masa. Tina socho bagi. Lien ni duni nyayu ma duni ni ngurai po talore utore ni dut durai tare. Then never be complacent. Service umra. If you can prove that you are capable of doing it in a department, my near respect sula. Nenil mai so di besul sama. Mai duni halilu so. Mai ni kuno ber officer utore u. Na. Wara sul sama. Backdooring juga, political pressure low by pa. Ini mana kunma bra. Ana nini capacity buju, ni with talent. Wasu tu go. People will honor you. People will respect you. So ni hanya ro buju darakarai. No kai lisu ni advice number kirupu. Strive till the end and give back to the society. Jo ni kai kude ni wasul mugdi ide teso. So ready bagi. Please don't forget your parents, your elders, your relatives, your community, your church, your society, and state as a whole. You have taken from your parents, you have taken from your well-wishers, you have taken from your relatives. Please give back to them when you achieve. My tolio service la khop usulu ni society contribution lipitamo. George title to no say ma. You think they're happy people? No. They are not. What society has given you, what your parents given you, what God has given you, please give them back. And that is only possible if you achieve in life. Nini ali sulumo, service sumo, tata lomo, hu sulumo, social activities sulumo ni. Nga so kini agi ni so ni. What you can give to the society, in the society, in the first and foremost is your achievement. These are 10 pieces of advice. As you go, please don't do it. These 5 points. Never do in life. No comparison with your peers. My comparison kaiso. My medical loma, don't do it. My engineer loma, don't do it. My service no. Everybody has given you a talent. You must admire what God has given you. That will never give happiness to you, to your family also. Then my soul lamatore asana. Tupena. So without that, then appreciate subel, compare suso. Nema ali compare su tibagi. Near sawa you happiness. You will not find happiness. My solo very good. Ramen you put a talent pe sulura isulumra. Don't worry, God has a different plan for me. Then number 1, the susu don't compare yourself with others. Number 2, never underestimate your strength. Iko hali suloda. Iko hali piloda. Iko moda. Please don't do it. You have your strength, you have the talent, you have the capability to do it. You can do it. But nihaso ni iko hali mo da, isolo da, if the law that who is going to admire you? So never underestimate yourself. Number 2. Number 3, never feel jealous of other success. Keep it up. Go. Congratulations. Well done, friend. Go up. This is simultaneously you will also grow. Money minus solo. Congratulations, you are not going to be a successful person. Your time also will come one day. And people will admire you. So never feel jealous of other success. Number 4, never get discouraged or depressed. See, life is full of ups and downs. So life is successful. But that's not the end. So never get depressed or discourage yourself. And do not blame others for your failures. Number 5. No. So blame so please don't do it in life. Accept it. Maybe God has a different plan for me. Take it things positive. So na sure la ne wa yung ole chu yi mini adai li view hin otre. Jo life is a challenge ko ba. Challenge full of challenge. Dai challenge environmental condition. Na ma chile mo ma tolini jo show number 4 sadate bila tabra environmental factors. Number 2 family condition. People to people let home you have problem. Answer ni financial problem. Tushana don't know do you tolibu. People many encourage you problem. So facilities ha computer ha Mairo vetutamo. Larifu biro vimo. Kiro vimo kai. Ini facility tolingo bra. These are all problems. Hurdles, challenge, but our struggle should not be pulled down by these challenges. Rather, is an opportunity to pull off. Higher opportunity to pull off. So go. It is a proper guidance. Jodo people my told you tata my kilo ne. Na my pe dai dula na my talent dai at your sumo. My told you people my rulu ne people my blames is otore. People may lutatara, like the sumo, rubera, and I need to jama havu, summa havu, pneumonia is a problem. That's the only difficult problem we have. Nito yo kai kilo, my little some same, sir. Successful people are plenty here. You put me here. Nearly when you jama. Lika nubera. That's a numero. Nini, I know I'm not going to charge. In this and a polymotor. Rather, I'll be happy. In your guys will be a successful person, a successful man or woman. That is my happiness. Jama people may lose again vera. Nina my ni successful ma sulbagi. That is the happiest moment for them. But many of our young boys and girls are bringing trouble to the family, to the society. Then even if you cannot bring joy and happiness or success to your family, but I advise you, please do not bring trouble also to the family and to the society. Then I need to Poumai. Then I saw the Yodo Nelemetore. You need to totally Poumai and Taylor Beauty Penny. Joe, way forward. Challenge you challenge you guys, you guys, you guys go talk if you hog as any Dida either way, Talu Ludu, ready to face those challenges with courage. Ramani Vachi Polo, Letuvilo, Kushulalo. Go, yeah, the Pomada. Carrier here, nearly, Nini Job is nearly Vetilamo. Then he get up and walk. have faith in yourself and faith in God. Neni masha luchilo. Ni masha luchimo. Rama ka luchimo. Neni masha luchimo. God will say, first of all, have faith in yourself. Ramani. So please have faith in yourself and faith in God. Always feel positive. Don't worry. Failure is a stepping stone to success. That spirit should be there. Failure is a part of life. Please get up and walk. So always, never give up. Try again. Do your best and leave the rest to God. Nene sulu se ai de sulo, nene sulo to ra ma bai thau thu. You ye hai to pawle. Ku ko career metric pass lu ni, 12 pass lu ni, BA pass lu ni, master lu ni, PG lu ni, dada was lu wi ti to pawli ko. Ju baji dal lo ka lai ga ma. Tai la hai khai bera baji mini kai ka ku ta re ni le ne pawla la ma di the ni. Ra ma kal shre organizer me to ra ma pa ha puiso. Thank you.
Kalau sore sir Sir Anthony ni, tadi put tu puiwan ni, hai kini punctual show you timing hai pupuya hai, itu example of way dulu saja lucu, itu jauh program hai desu ni cukup deh kini nyage dia, justru nawi first session ni hot anare almost 2 hours late, itu hot an nabi hai ke cukup program wis berdai hot abre, ini hai kini puimas home word ni itu hai tadi lewi time conscious hai bila ke ini mai hang ni popular. Kalau sore hai gini example leaders main hai gini example set up puju hai itu dulu puju law birai. Ju students main tahu ini questions hali new nata view mama bilu tu balalo ni tak question new puju. In the meanwhile, I'll request the Naga Public School students to get ready for the mime. My tarli question new nata view mama career guidance we jai ni. Ju we career guidance we have profession hanani taviz di we hini lomoy ani the concept of career ka ki pini ni doni we lai sa di pi hana hai ito doni ma shoi dasun dige nago ku Poumai ma shani adoni hana we lai di pi Poumai ma shani research so ba chi so wani ma tarli hana we concept to hini ito jani jo the we to hini question biu bilu ze tai le pu bla 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, later with speaker ni pau gini, ipo mas question new tam hoy tirai, te hai vete be chokore, jam shakha chokam na sir rai, ita we question hai new hai tam more, ni nagyon question new puyo tini pau na. Now I'll give the time to Naga Public School students to display your performance. Yeah. Naga Public School students mai toni mime performance lai bit of concept not hai save pe te hana phu pa pu dini bit of meaning hana pu hai phu pu dini porai sawala ni rupi bai the ni sawala ni pawa chi re internet YouTube hin ju tele hi comment section live comment section ju tele hi ngo pu show rai te te YouTube hin alu za just sau ni ngo pu re ta sun ke kam sawala ro ke ma ta sun pu la khai ro ke dini ngo pu re YouTube ro ju khai pu re ani chu situation ni hai ita we crowd ni dynamic show you crowd we bai the ni ita hai kola mix up we bai the ni YouTube hi ju mai ro dawli understand so pu ni pon ne. In the meanwhile, I'll read the concept note of this mime, which will be performed by Naga Public School. The scene you are about to watch is more than just a performance. It reflects the real sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and soldiers. Many brave hearts left their homes and families to protect our nation. They faced pain, war, and hardship, not for themselves, but for the future of people like us. As the line says, "O people of my country, let your eyes fill with tears and remember the sacrifices of those who became martyrs. These heroes gave up their comfort, their loved ones, and even their lives for our freedom. Through each movement and expression in this mime, we aim to portray their bravery, struggle, and ultimate sacrifice. We hope that as you watch, you don't just see as a performance, but truly feel the emotion, pride, and gratitude behind it. Let us remember and honor those who gave everything for our country." Wow. Kalau sure Naga Public School hi TSIIDOMAI Tony. So also ni mime performance hai so pui wani hai kini chahai show ni na show bili kita mer bit of the power flexibility ale bit of acrobatic nature hai ta julo ni record sure ti lo che. Ali ra message hai convey so pui ju hai master show hai ito remind so pui ju freedom fighters mai ni remind so pui ju hai kalau re chu ito next session ni kui su lai second session hai Miss Paulina Pawine why Pini people tele papu kalau lai introduce so pi kala morale how should I ni in right ni pau tepen ni cho speaker ni patele popular kalau lai te kola hini my tar little questions ta bilus questions hoda pyo for both the speakers le Sir Sale Anthony ni pauju career guidance pi jahini ro alier chu sessions holai pi hini ro question bilus tikini in a sheet of paper questions have really question and answer our below transfer period maybe 5-10 minutes tali. Sudah po yun po na.
Very good afternoon to all present here today. First of all, PNTM President Executive Committee, Program Committee, I extend my deepest gratitude. Hajujo program haga dua vayano quality buli hi je hakano platform li paisa I extend my sincere gratitude. Zo avi topic paisa mental health counseling avi topics mental health, counseling and drug abuse. Mental health, drug abuse, counseling, each word hai topic dut tawe. So no, zoe telehisa drug abuse mental health hai counseling that are related tinavi topic chita. I want to share my reflection. Today I don't come here as expert liso vai dope laira vai moy, but professional course dau teleki alia Manipur hi hai ji to sanapeti hi vai telechi about 7 years now ponne phale pare ji hai vasori tikano my own personal experiences ave friends family members substance use related Poumai hai taiti combine so lano ave lived experience hai share so lari ve to have some reflection collective reflection as a community not to come and teach. Speaking of that, drug abuse, it is most of the time we think number 4, but drug abuse number 4 it comprises of all alcohol, tobacco in the form of gutkhatari, cigarette, ganja, inhalants, petrol inhale sota, dendrite inhale sota, all these come under drug abuse. Ave close friends and family members mahi nya nisha hane to no ni zoshe mo bai na vai mo ran pau delichi I get this response jo addict moe jo control so lo se no jo nisha tori problem high ra pau libwe but I feel but the fact is it is a misconception. Drug abuse mental health concept it is substance use disorder. Substance use torivi order chana mori nisha torivi formulata mori li shiri li rem hai. So no substance use hai addiction to moe. There is a very common substance use pattern which we as youth and youngsters experience as a harmful use. Harmful use that is substance hai cigarette la ho ganja la ho number 4 la ho jau la ho. They sato moaba totally excessively netolano, leading to physical vasohi maba mental consequences effects and harmful use him. And most of our community has a category falls physical mental to side diary mono alisa that diary which we observe in our society that is jo so polo ma nisha to poli taisa somaba accidentally zava dava li pa reo ma excessively online gambling ma ba cards ko ano shat dei ti so ha reo jo so hin consequences hin alia paushima paulais unprotected sexual relationships leading to sexually transmitted diseases ma ba unplanned pregnancy out of wedlock. So no harmful use, judgment, memory have way more consequences. Kaira palo way devano addiction totally devano discuss so man harmful use as it society here discuss so I want to express. Addiction, it is a addiction, hana addicted person, it is a we usually think luduhino lufano gyanta mata no addiction na pawe. But we mental health concept is there are certain criteria. So no I will go over it a little bit. Speech ko no awareness kind I'll take this platform as an awareness and communicate some points to you all. Addiction, right? Here's a criteria, at least a strong desire to use. Tonisha, sonisha, nisha, taisa, tone, tonisholi. Another thing is, ji Bible one high quantity polira, ji reduce ba sota, tota the reduce lohana, le quantity ne usota, alino, tola more, sola more, rabuano, nisha to more, retilici, vaso hai shiver, tremors pata, saitu pata, raki pata, vaso so pata, runner pata. Tomo pe pai tatali no hi no choda the hallucinations tika withdrawal symptoms pata tine pala mojono ti ne maintain so wele rano tota we jitoma he evidence of tolerance lead to righty so righty sir jo pek ali a haino so bule no so good is a continuously habitual that is a you need pek ango ro no maintain quarterly no maintain so no data motili ali a high no satisfied mo data titeno jone mon nishane tone no kake focus so la no le na so no program chi tan no sports ko no te he neglect so ta no nishane next nishane da ka ngau to hai sha da hi no pula no ji so to la hai ra no focus ta titeno ji hai jo sorry ha ave liver diabetes sir ave liver situation have way more ra so tholu hono so da tito hai to criteria ani aro hino if anyone falls ja hanta hino asmo ja adai lo dai it is addicted rem hai so no it is not a very simple thing but addiction is a very serious matter but deny so ano addiction jo have control so ta khai jivi clinical practice along with family members friends mahia awareness school ta delichi na mahino what do you want to become when you grow big, what is your aim in life? So many people say various very interesting ambitions, careers ta then we ask this question, how many of you aim to become a drug addict? How many of you want to be alcohol addict? No, nobody says. They all say, no, I don't want to become a drug addict. But whoever is now battling, juju to society, to family, nisha no lola no palo home, none of them my ligoda drug addict no sota right so jamwe. There are few things na leme that no nisha try so tayari hai. First of all, curiosity. Nisha had that hai. Mine sadate we have me in my kawa that goes you near asota. The jo soy pe kick boy red dan kick sa curiosity ta. Titeno kihi family members may not do so pe. Easy access ngau pe. My ngau mo te lechino fair try so ta. Easy access do. Titeno another thing is peer pressure. My tati so hai chu teenage tele hisa. Fepu no pauza no, samai no paurea sonas, samai no paurea no veigo, tika no fepu mai chica ni jamwe. So no samai no have it toranya so hai, money hana so tesa, jihana to tesa jahamai grouping lo lapa, jihame jito mo tesa, money sha try so mo tesa jisa happening grouping lo more, rano tala no, peer pressure no yuso tata. Kali ka hai try hit so hino so kai mo no, addiction hi ko lo ta with pattern ju ngawe. As part of our clinical practice, my lino way addiction no jito hi clinical hi lo telechi. Po dai ji no to dai, dai nisha no to rai. Titino nisha ne now quantity da je to ta ri jivi. It's a part of our history taking. Tiki teliji hai jivi even in our society. My 30-40 years pa ve ma. They say that 11, 12, 13 in a trisotype, okay? And that is corroborating with WHO with statistics 11, 12, 13 in a nisha trisotype. Another thing is why adolescents are more at risk is that the adolescents we want thrills, excitement. So impulsive so nearly boom adolescents. Another thing which I want to emphasize is that our brain vaso development brain develop but the brain continues to develop 24-25 years brain continue develop so then it develops so this part of the brain which is called prefrontal cortex. Prefrontal cortex with roles decision making, impulsive control. Hali so ta telichi hana veida hana shida ra cholori vi brain area. Maba ji hana zo garan na la bike ta na telichi bure khore no control so vi parts of the brain. Tina had developed so chemo him had adolescency. Tiki pe samali no ideally tho telichi ma hali distraction libai telichi so na so tano guidance hati talo we no adolescent is at high risk for substance use. Ali paunali police why is it coming substance use doesn't know we are constantly talking mental health doesn't discuss Dr. Mahi Savithoy because substance use lano willpower come on be rapauli boom head so no willpower come on that's no mental health ma Dr. Mahi Savithoy really concept li pai do so no I want to explain a little bit in a very simple term we pick how substance use addiction how does it behave in our brain really though. So there is something called dopamine. Dopamine, this is a chemical libum hai. So the chemical tiness jitano. Zo hakano conference hi tano wat talo na tu shala talo ma dance lo ma sports ko ma football tournament li juri vali emotion tina hai dopamine re chemical na release no we feel the pleasure. Voso to we tali to na to we next time hai we to like that memory and to we pleasure na hai dopamine no responsible ma hai no ji to no nisha to telichis brain hi sa dai release dopamine a high surge activity va so the release telichis brain hi sa nisha to telichis more than 10 times dopamine sa release hai so no but our brain does not know nisha to jivano ji dopamine ki release ji football match ko no dopamine a high release this ma some dai no way shiri they only remember the brain only remembers dopamine ki release that ji hana way hana sapu nai ra ta ba hai they don't decide way shi na sa jamo they only know aviva so hi wane da no so no zovut adolescent mai lino jo so really try so dopamine ki ngau thesa the brain will say atina va da tina sapu na da no memory bo khobu dam hai so it becomes a pattern kha hai kha so kha cha no so go thesa dopamine pathway really bo ji to brain hi tinesa electric fuse tamo tigo pe now sa football coach na tu ni chi ti va na sang ngomo zai only chemical jo hi no lo na ma drug hi no lo na tina kha ke kho ma va so dopamine sa les ji zo monday re jo so la mo saturday jo so la next saturday so la is we control hi bum hai right is but after some time dopamine fuse that is you don't have control the body will ask you needs control hare da kan jo na va so hin thola no dopamine khala na no focus so la na addiction ra ta re it is pure illness so no chu na le ma hi re na khali kha high try so no sak khamon addiction pathway hi ta le re be careful try not to initiate peer pressure lo te le chi he ti ta be careful pholo re na I want to share my views side effects health concern in there are so many side effects which we can look up on the internet but from my personal experience side effects academic performance a lot then lack of goal directed behavior is going away another thing like prime age 15, 20, 25, 30 prime age career build so lai vinasa nisha hi no lua lai re we are unable to reach our goal let's her no pau kana points very pain and nisha hi no lu the we are not able to stick to those points nisha hakato lai pe it becomes high risk for us to engage in profession or career which is not legally approved ta tabam hai nisha na ngau la na va so hin thulo lai valo lai jono focus so hin no dai hin sha ngau na samana we tend to get into illegal activities also atili to mano family hi hai to swabu the na mai ngau ba na mai hin no jia bu lai zava bu lai dawa bu lai the child is 3 years, 4 years old child is observing all those things, at least a trauma, at least a easy access to substance use. Ju nisha to na to litum diamano, puvin na mahi kutia now shosho generation hai tabere. It becomes a vicious cycle. So any sorts of nisha hai, we have to watch out. Really, as you know, I want to share. Now coming to that. If there are lots of side effects, addiction, society, what we need to do? We need to start from the prevention perspective. Prevention है, family है, नाली निशा तो ता थे, पाव हाउ नो, वो कुप हो पाना, मैंने दाई चलाई really बुए, it like a taboo, but it's very important that nisha lito the jihi no zmai donu san da kan chi pau do bile darka tore if there is no guidance teachers mal ho counselor mal ho spiritual leaders ma hi sa counseling ta no early intervention hai darka toy puku mono now last stage in a pure addiction ta tele chino ha la so la ha buta ji to family hi ngoi so no early intervention is important. Then parents spending time with the children is again very important. Then, Alisa, substance use addiction, we no there's no career, we no. If we look at it, and if we don't create any career opportunities, career guidance, they will not have any guidance or way to go ahead. So, if we want to make a holistic intervention, we need to organize as many as career guidance, events, organize. Then, extracurricular activities we really need to do. Routine set list games and sports daily. One day, half an hour liya peri leisure activity. Shuti telechi ni zovu shuti thesa pana chausu bumano. Dai dolove dai skill ma nukha. Juji tau we're talking about culture and identity. So dai kanuji tau vi culture zama dolove. We have to plan something for our children. When I ask mobile addiction na society hi khai student ma hi no ta so mobile addiction so vai mora ji ta dai so na vai le then the students came up with lots of very beautiful ideas and this some said that mobile addiction ki hi no pu phone dai la mo the we should go for roaming. I think that's also a very good idea, but I was telling that roaming tahin it should be a purposeful roaming activity. Mo so roaming tahin and you see lots of distractions and cigarette no pala sony pala, so it should be a very purposeful positive roaming and not only mere roaming, otherwise you also tend to get distracted. Another thing is warning signs atoli na mahi jito since federating units mai ta tinda bu zmai ta bure if na mai to hino academic decline ta zmai ta no sa so ba school hai bangso era complaint buta school hi lar chota more no bu shakho ja pa tinta behavior bu the nisha to bu zeri mono behavior problem bu phore identify so la no tita counseling peri darka lai ri we just want to tell because we're talking about early intervention. Next we have early intervention has so ba jito society is choose nisha to ri addictions common tong bure. What are some of the facilities available? One is detoxification. Hospital hina save and nisha pan to mori telichi. Nisha le pauka can nisha to mo all the withdrawal symptoms will come. Run ta gastric part ta jitholo hota ngopai pa ta nohi chopa ta. So doctors admit the patient symptomatic treatment. पहिला no treat so no symptomatic treatment pay na no discharge so jamwe discharge so mo no relapse prevention na no hai no jo thau teli chi so pula movie that counseling buar and we give a good amount of time for the counseling. Likewise rehabilitation hi thola pa na tola more kha rehabilitation in thola no relapse prevention no ni rehabilitation hi no pa teli chi samai dao no taisa samai sa to so mai dao ji ji ni da kan ni la ni protect so lai ni da ki lai re da pau do mo the relapse rehab no pa ha re to pu da da bue so no it's very important that we incorporate relapse so la more we therapy hai hospital in discharge so mo rehab no pa mo hai we need to emphasize that relapse is atoli sa hanta bue jo sola more cigarette la more good khato la more kha chana jo bottle vai so vai na sa ki khai buta do ti ne cigarette la more ba lighter na sa pocket hin thofe lighter so these are some of the cues to la more sola more ba lighter nga ha pa ta no ba ran li no tholo ho sho bure ngau la ta no cigarette no ta bu jo so no ta bu so if we are into that commitment then it's very important that we remove all the nisha theory so type le remind so like we objects state hai ji ta we surrounding hi no phari darka shore then le pau khai no relapse prevention hi sir le sir no you cannot make the horse to drink water re khai no la hi no commitmently by lai pau mo the sa no khai ba te the no khai to sola moi but on the fourth day they'll go to drink again so no counseling so no commitment peri hai ji ta we relapse prevention model hi incorporate so no ji ta we hai hana ji ta we hana pau kha cha ba God's grace is very important. Addiction hai ji ta all the family members ji hi bu mai hai attend so mas bule anyone family members in nisha to mai buri hai thori ta tai tore vya tore so no medical intervention mental health intervention na darka to no ramai hi no blessing kho ramai vi vyachi pori hai darka tore joy combination of medical and spirituality hai darka tore I want to emphasize. Then other thing is haso telichi we hear few stories nisha tolore rano phalo ere telichi as a disciplinary action dapwe itali bwe do dapwe kha chano so pusudar and warning paye but as a mental health professional I want to include another perspective that we have to move to punitive punishment we have to move to rehabilitative na mali no nisha to phalo ma ha vali so ma nisha to jo no era phalo teli ji hai disciplinary action zape tik be no youth mana ko la no family council so pe ni zo ha ka so no ni counseling ta de ni share no encourage so pe no counseling hi jamai la ho spiritual leader la ho mental health professional hi pana vaitiri hai darka tore no joy not only about disciplinary action to pe mano so with that holistic approach hai darka tore joy like we said spirituality mental health professionals Dr. Mailori checking the supply of substances career guidance vocational training nisha tolano by the we usually have this kind of impression instead of having stigma mai takwa ju mo no pu mai include so pe no sometimes nisha ton thola ma hai jino paw ba pu no jam mo fe pu mai no paw ba pu no jam mo spiritual leader mai no paw ba pu no jam mo no to kha cha no that ton tholo mai li no paura po no ta le bwe so we can incorporate them also into the counseling and not only like ji ton preach to man do ti mai to include so very nisha ton phalore ti no disciplinary pe man include them in youth activities church vela ho hatarlia assignment li pe involve so pe thesa engage on pe tho engage ta re vali boy mo thesa ji nisha to re na mai na je ta ku ju hana sa so so re jila je self esteem low pe hopeless lo no pu nisha to ta pu ta boy so with this I conclude the overall substance use and counseling. But what I want to express, taking the advantage of video, so video recording, so no, substance use he no mainly focus over no ji tau ngu ji high district hospital hi ji vaso ba velu hota buena my student mai if you have any mental health depression ta lo anxiety ta lo study pressure ta relationship issue hi no tension buat se pa lo hota li thesa hi velu ho ba there is a 24/7 helpline 14416 dot in hi no Kulo thesa, you can get help because it's so not my problem and we take it lightly. But adolescents myself, they are going through a lot. So I want to encourage the adolescents. School hi ni menu chu lala buji taba ni menu counseling darka halin no ni ji career vesa mo confused tarama ave fepuno ji understand so tumwe adolescents have all these issues. So you can call this 14416 and get counseling do. Mental health hai health hai physical, mental, social, spiritual. Mental health weight has a physical, social weight ale. Physical weight has a takwa weight ale. So no, mental health itself is a very integral part of our health. Maintain so we have tiva dino. Substance use itself is a disease. Let's get it treated. My taralina issue buabut has encourage them to seek help and not push them aside though. With this, I end, and let's take care of our mental health. Thank you very much.
Kalore Miss Paulina Pawini ni so tao ni itong hi đầu tư vi quan topic bữa khai thì chỉ biết hay này hi hay biết hay detail ni so tu vi đấy program hay na so tao một giờ itong phai program hay topic hay các cái ni itong bao giờ luôn là hay thì để xem thì cái topic hay lên ni bao mình ni broad show जो topic है तो है का कि ने concise show ni दो भी लेके इतने फात ने पॉपर लव याद है पॉया अन्य ये तो ने कई लोग भाई है पुमा ताला show ने पुमा बाहर तालु बड़े इतने लोग चे topic है तो show जो topic है अन्य मत से show जो topic है जो जब मैं अवैधा है का कि ही ने सही के लुज़ topic ताला ताते show ता है पुमा ordinary layman's language ने पुमा बाहर तालु जो है जब मैं अवैधा दे पॉय तो जो तो ने technical terms tao li pin use ani technical terms ha tao get ni pu ma ito ma confuse ta pu bom mod ni technical terms ha tao ta la pani pu ma understand so lu ju hai tini kalo sure ito we resource person ni to pu wa ne alir le pau mi ni mental health issues hana hai it's not just with the children or adolescents it can also be with adults grown up adults my kutera dalu we so ni mental health hana hai stigmatized so mo ni my tarly help darka because ito ali encourage so ni puma stigmatize hana puma so kai moni puma encourage so lekhe puma counseling darka lo tik so lekhe ti pi popin nai kaloi announcement ali okay just before the announcement we have the next item which is a special song lo avili sulai I have Miss Vishne Victoria Winnie Miss Vishne Victoria Winnie pi hai Mount Zion English School hini dojun not to Malia pini pa telepul kalole and in the meanwhile announcement ali pin ju program hana chere diluza session hana chere diluza ju ram walk hi low biju participants met ram walk hi low biju participants met bakhali hall hini view ni pito rehearsal su ju darkar tia tewani ne to tapui mo ni ram walk hi lo met ma ha la ni chawpyo hall na hi ni ram walking ni rehearsal hello more team to have puma ako puma participation so le mo ti porai sawani ali va mo ju dolu we sawani emergency serious show ni hana pu pi ni stay back super ni to popi bi okay in the meanwhile to spelling bee has storytelling hi loju participants metaro stage hana we nalova hai thelo bahali ta papu ti ni to hi request so bi spelling bee and story telling. The participants of spelling bee and storytelling are requested to go behind the stage on the left side and meet the organizers for further instructions.
Hello, check.
Hello. Kalau sore, vision ni Victoria Winnie ni lo voice apa ini itu Poumai ni ada so lu siapa iwan ni. Leo Miss Vision ni Victoria Winnie lu sudah di pihak ke semai payah di sesuai ani. Nak show you ni apa ni apa lu sudah pihak ngolu ni. Lu sah show ali hal ni nak show bilu kita mera confidence hai gini show you ali timing precision hal lah diction ali kita mau ni Poumai with tone ko tiada cukup tu lu ni selalu hai we are seeing an upcoming singer in our Poumai community. Pi don ni ro vaci pokal le ali pi ro encourage su pi lekhe di ni pon nai. Kalau sore hai pai lu su te li dau ko ali jo ha tie. Church ni itu khamai mai churu li. Church ke hani lu su le di ni lu su guitar a hai. Side se khe ni guitar a hai pu itu mai dai zi le ni bi itu ze. Ka ki ni su da se ka mo re. So rai na na so lo ni so bi ni khe mai ku bi da ba re. 这个church 怎么买的呢？你到 rush 路了，才当路来的你包嘞，church 几下呢？这个就是 situation 的味道呢，还么子还来不及的个呢 timing 不说呢，路不说，所以还一道 encourage 好子，就一道为 session 还那节约特别呢，competition events 够路嘞，这呢一道为 judges 买到 ，first 一道係 spelling bee competition view 出來。 itu spelling bee competition so lare tiwan bahali sudah moza bahali mahal lagi kisah lagi ke bunyi bable re itu bunyi rob jo bisho bi khai ke moist zada bi khai ke pau de palu bi na pau de palu bi let's stretch ourselves okay ko bi pula kalo le chui itu spelling bee competition so tahu sule judges mai tone pa tai le pula kalo le judges On a spelling bee competition, we have storytelling competition. Ito judges sama mai celebrate. Pito ni erti kini pito we tele pup lu kalau le. Awi session hai ini conduct so le you hand share kalau le.
Hello. Paano PNTM delegates member mata hi pansue ki pana bi mata listen hol he available request no be. Hello. PNTM delegates member ki pana bi mata hol he available request no be.
Colored lepi vani ida we choose spelling bee competition bitasule bita mozuni participants में तो ही instruction टी दिले पहले participants में तो serial number पर पलर सिलिज़ लिशिने हाई तलो लेने instruction कभी लेका लोले spelling bee ही लोला ये participants में तो लिशिने हाई तलो instruction कभी लेका लोले जो इधर वे spelling bee competition है English ने भी सुबह इपुला vocabulary चीज़ है बनी next time ही ने पुला vocabulary develop सु चले पुला ने सु शुलर लिचे आना जो दोनी ले ज English ने सु ज सुबह The participants, if you are done picking up your serial number, I request you to come inside to the hall to listen to the instruction because the instruction is mainly for you to follow. Yeah, please, you may come inside. Okay, just stand there. It's fine. You can stand there. Okay, round hai jubilai ruby, spelling B we, rules so hai daule hai right in circulate so we apart from that, dautili instruction titili participants may he hai in sequence hai gilai mo timing hai jubilai ruby daule instruction pile. Okay, rounds and rules. First round, each participant will spell right circulation tab 5 words to the beni. Either participants my right my kaila shulairuni assume sulini to the ani my participants my not so many of them. So there is a slight change in the first round. So first round you will get to spell 10 words instead of 5. It will be 10. Clear? So in the first round, you will get to spell 10 words, and each word will carry 10 points. Clear? Secondly, second round, you will get another 10 words again, and this is time and daring round. You will be given 1 minute, and you will get to spell 10 words. And here, it is daring round, so like if you want to ask the meaning, if you are not clear with the word, you can ask for repetition, and also you can ask for meaning, but with one condition, you are given only 1 minute. So if you ask for meaning, that is, that will be counted in your time, so you may not get to spell the whole of the 10 words. So you have to be careful. If you want to ask the meaning, it has to be included in your allotted time. Clear? So this is called time and daring round, which will have 10 words, and also each words will carry 10 points. And final round, each participant will get to spell 5 words. So here, each participant will get to spell 10 words from a team chosen through lot. You will pick a lot again in each round. So in the first round, since you are only 9 of you, 10 of you, only 5 of you will be qualified for the second round. So the points will be counted. The highest scorer, 5 out of 10, 5 of you will be selected for the second round for their time and daring round. And from there, from the second round, only only 2 of you will be selected, and from there you will see, you will compete for the first and second place. Clear? Okay, now for you to remember, so like when we give the word, you will be given 5 seconds to recall and think. Clear? For example, I have given you the word happy. So if you're not very sure with the meaning, because there are in English, the same pronunciation but different meaning and different spelling, right? So you can ask for a meaning, clarification, ask for the meaning, and after telling the meaning, we will give you 5 seconds to recall and think. Clear? So that is the first thing you have to keep in mind. Secondly, no repetition once spell completed, which means once you start spelling, and if you have completed the spelling, you will not be allowed to repeat. Clear? And in the case, like, if you have any confusion, you can ask for the second time for the pronunciation of the word, and you can ask for the meaning. Clear? And in the last one, the participants can ask for a meaning and repetition of pronunciation of the word before starting the spelling. Even if you're not clear with the meaning, once you have started spelling, you cannot ask for the meaning anymore. Before spelling, if you're having doubt, please ask before you start spelling. Once you start spelling, the meaning will not be given anymore, even if you're not clear. Clear? Okay, so these are the instructions you need to keep in mind. Am I clear? Okay, so we shall start with the first round. Have you picked a lot? Okay. I think you can come and stand there. The first serial number 1. Serial number 1, you go and say your series. What did you pick? Yeah.
Oh.
Hello. So in your series, you have 10 words randomly picked. The first word, are you ready?
Yes.
The first word is bureaucracy.
Bureaucracy.
Wrong. The next word, 108. The next word is avocado.
AVOCADO.
Correct. Your third word is metrical. Metrical.
METRICAL.
Correct. The next word is circumpolar.
Again?
Circumpolar. Circumpolar.
SUCUMPOLAR.
Wrong. The next word is fossils.
Again?
Fossils.
FOSSILS.
Correct. And your next word is sternum. Sternum.
STERN.
Sternum.
SERNUM.
Wrong. And your next word is recurrent.
Again?
Recurrent. Time up. Thank you. Next word. Next word. Okay. Next word is renaissance.
RENARSANCE.
Correct. The next word is baobab.
Again?
Baobab.
BAOBAB.
Yeah, correct. Your last word is appliance.
APPLIANCE.
Correct. Thank you. R. Please be patient with us. We might take some time while flipping the pages. Your first word is citizen.
CITIZEN, citizen.
Correct. The next word is barbecue.
BARBEQUA, barbecue.
Wrong. The next word is dribble.
Again.
Dribble.
GLUEBALL.
Wrong. Your next word is geostationary.
Again.
Geostationary.
GEOSTATIONARY.
Correct. Your next word is spectrum.
Again.
Spectrum.
SPECTRUM.
Correct. Your next word is urinary.
Okay.
Urinary.
URINERY.
Correct. Your next word is courtesy.
Again.
Courtesy.
COURTESY.
Again.
COURTESY.
Correct. Your next word is provision.
PROVISION.
Correct. Your next word is calendula.
Again.
Calendula.
CALENDULA.
Correct. Your next word is Trojan.
Again.
Trojan.
TROZEN.
Wrong. Okay, thank you. For your information, you don't have time limitation in this round, okay? You can ask for definition in case you're confused.
The letter that I pick is P.
Your first word is fraternity.
FRATERNITY.
Correct. Your second word is resolves.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Resolves.
RESAULD.
Wrong. Your next word is stumps.
Pardon?
Stumps.
STAMPS.
Wrong. Your next word is observatory.
OBSERVATORY.
Correct. Your next word is acidic.
Pardon?
Acidic.
ACIDIC.
Correct. All right, your next word is hamstrings.
Pardon?
Hamstrings.
Sir, can you please give me the definition?
Sure. A group of 3 muscles at the back of the thigh that help bend the knee and extend the hip.
HAMSTRINGS.
Correct. Your next word is haphazard.
Pardon?
Haphazard.
Sorry, I'll pass.
Okay. Next word. Your next word is ruins.
Pardon?
Ruins.
ROUIS.
Wrong. Your next word is camellia.
CAMEALIA.
Wrong. Your next word is architecture.
ARCHITECTURE.
Correct. That's it. Thank you.
I'm Marcel of Class 8 representing Bethany Higher Secondary School. The letter I picked is I.
Your first word is decentralization.
DECENTRALISATI1.
Correct. Your second word is zucchini.
Can you please tell me the definition of the word?
Sure. A green summer squash, also called courgette in British English. Time's up. The next word is rugby.
RUGBY.
Correct. Your next word is Doppler.
DOUPLER.
Wrong. Your next word is microbes.
MICROBES.
Correct. Your next word is trachea.
TREACHEA.
Wrong. Your next word is spark.
Can you please repeat the word?
Spark.
SPRK.
Correct. Your next word is addicts.
ABITS.
Wrong. Your next word is cedar.
CEDAR.
Correct. Your next word is cryptography.
CRYPTOGRAPHY.
Correct. Thank you.
My name is Kovasher, representing Bismarck Vision English High School Lai. The letter I pick is H.
Your first word is discrimination.
Discrimination. DISCRIMINATION.
Correct. Your second word is pepperoni.
Sorry?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. PAPERONY.
Wrong. Your next word is skateboard.
Skateboard. SKYBOAT.
Wrong. Your next word is revolution.
Revolution. REVO. I'm sorry. REVOLUTION.
Correct. Your next word is adaptation.
Adaptation. ADAPTATION.
Correct. Your next word is manubrium.
Can you please repeat?
Manubrium.
MANUBRUM.
Correct. Your next word is damage.
Damage. DAMAGE.
Correct. Your next word is regional.
Regional. REGIONAL.
Correct. Your next word is lavender.
Lavender. LAVENDER.
Correct. Your next word is diskette.
Can you please repeat?
Diskette.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
I am Jovanye from level 7 and I'm from Naga Public School. The letter I pick is L.
L or F?
L.
Your first word is executive.
EXECUTIVE.
Correct. Your next word is dessert.
Sir, could you please repeat the word?
Dessert.
Definition, please.
Sweet dishes usually eaten at the end of a meal.
DESSERT.
Correct. Your next word is tournament.
TOURNAMENT.
Correct. Your next word is Kuiper belt.
Sir, definition please.
A region beyond Neptune containing many icy bodies and dwarf planets.
KUIPERBELT.
Correct. Your next word is bioluminescent.
Sir, could you please repeat?
Bioluminescent.
BIOLUMNI. BIOLUI. NESCENT.
Wrong. Your next word is atrium.
Atrium. ATRIUM.
Correct. Your next word is indulgence.
Indulgent.
Yes. Indulgence.
INDUL. Indulgence.
Yes.
INDULGENCE.
Correct. Your next word is conquer.
Definition, please.
To defeat or overcome.
CONQUER.
Correct. Your next word is wishbone.
Sir, definition, please.
Flower, also known as love in a mist or gruyere.
Could you repeat the word, please?
Wishbone.
WISHBOND.
Wrong. Your next word is fishing.
FISHING.
Wrong. You should have asked for the definition. Done. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Josepa Celine, and I come from Mount Zion Senior Secondary School. My letter is C.
Your first word is confederation.
CONFIDARIDION.
Wrong. Your second word is lentils.
Pardon?
Lentils.
LANDLE.
Wrong. Your next word is anxious.
Pardon?
Anxious.
Next.
Your next word is plasma.
PLASMA.
Correct. Your next word is thermometer.
THERMOMETER.
Correct. Your next word is scrotum.
Pardon?
Scrotum.
CROTUMB.
Wrong. Your next word is credulous.
Pardon?
Credulous.
CRADULAS.
Wrong. Your next word is prisoner.
PRISONER.
Correct. Your next word is wisteria.
Pardon?
Wisteria.
WRISDRIE.
Wrong. Your next word is emulator.
EMULATER.
Wrong. Thank you.
My name is K. Modovne, representing Compassion Children Ministry. My letter is M.
Your first word is patronage.
Please can you repeat again?
Patronage.
PATTERNAGE.
Wrong. Your next word is vermicelli.
Please can you repeat again?
Vermicelli. Vermicelli.
VERMITELATE.
Wrong. Your next word is discuss.
DISCUSS.
Wrong. Your next word is celestial.
CELESCIAL.
Wrong. Your next word is circuit.
Please can you repeat once?
Circuit.
Circuit. This definition.
A closed path through which electric current flows.
CIRCUIT.
Correct. Your next word is knuckle.
KNUCKLE.
Correct. Your next word is procedure.
Please can you repeat once?
Your next word is procedure.
PARSUADER.
Wrong. Your next word is rituals.
RIDUAL.
I'll consider it correct. That's without the S, but it's okay. Correct. Your next word is nasturtium.
Please can you repeat once again?
Nasturtiums.
NASTIDION.
Wrong. Your next word is telematics.
DELEMATICS.
Correct. That's it. Thank you.
I'm Kayuni representing Rosary School. The letter that I pick is S.
Your first word is bribe.
BRIGHT.
Wrong. Your second word is wasabi.
Again.
Wasabi.
WATSABI.
Wrong. Your next word is marathon.
MARITHON.
Wrong. Your next word is pulsar.
Again.
Pulsar.
PULSER.
Wrong. Your next word is arboreal.
ARBERIAL.
Wrong. Your next word is nephron.
NEPRON.
Wrong. Your next word is appalling.
APOLY.
Wrong. Your next word is ethos.
ETHOLS.
Again?
ETHOL.
ETHO?
L.
Wrong. Your next word is laurel.
LAUREL.
Correct? Your next word is android.
Android.
Correct. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shivani Loco from DBS Snapty. The letter which I picked is F.
Your first word is corruption.
CORRUPTION.
Correct. Your next word is cookie.
Definition, please.
A small, sweet baked treat, usually made with flour, sugar, and butter.
CLOKIE.
Correct. Your next word is physic.
Definition, please.
The shape or build of a person's body.
PHYSIC.
Wrong. Your next word is photovoltaic.
PHOTOVOLTA.
You want to try once again?
PHOTOVOLTAIC.
Correct. Your next word is biosphere.
Biosphere. BIOSPHERE.
Correct. Your next word is sclera. You have two pronunciations. One is sclera, the other one is sclera.
Definition, please.
The white outer layer of the eyeball that provides structure and protection.
SKERA.
Wrong. Your next word is innumerable.
INNUMERABLE.
Correct. Your next word is vicious.
Definition, please.
Cruel or violent.
VICIOUS.
Correct. Your next word is gardenia.
Can you please read 1 second?
Gardenia.
GADENIA.
Wrong. Your next word is pixel.
Can you please read 1 second?
Pixel.
Definition.
A small unit of digital image.
PIXIL.
Wrong. Thank you.
Okay, we have completed the first round. So, according to the score you made in the first round, you will be qualified for the second round. So, can we see the score, please? The highest 5 scorer will be selected for the second round.
Posa moshilai ju chili povanu posa ju sole ju remwalk hi lule mai to participants mai to hai ni mai to pai chu put it to la shanu stage left side hi tave gathered so pe and request to anu boy popu anu boy ju remwalk hi lo bule ju participants mai to ni mai to la shanu stage v left side hi ve gathered so pe and request to anu boy. Thank you.
Okay, here, since 3 of you have got the same points, that is 60, 6 of you will be selected for the second round. So the selected participants are serial number 1. Please step ahead. Serial number 1. Serial number 2. Serial number 4. Serial number 5. Serial number 6. And serial number 10. Okay, so these are the selected participants for the second round. The rest of you, you may step back. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, for the second round, you will have to pick the load again. This round is called time and daring round. You will be given 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. And out of this, within this 60 seconds, you will be given to spell 10 words. Okay, are you ready? Have you picked your load? Okay, in this round, you will be given 60 seconds, and it is a rapid round, and you'll be given 10 words to speak, to spell. Okay, the first round mark will not be counted anymore. That is for your qualification points. So we will be considering only each round points. Clear? Okay, if you're ready, serial number 1. So you'll be given a warning once your time is up. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, tell your series.
J.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. The first word is telematic.
DELEMATIC.
Correct. The next word is genius.
GENIUS.
Correct. The next word is radiologic.
RADIOLOGIC.
Correct. The next word is infrared.
INFINIT.
Wrong. The next word is oscilloscope.
Pass.
The next word is transmission.
TRANSMITION.
Wrong. The next word is cyanidation.
CIANIDATION.
Wrong. The next word is genius.
Time's up.
Up. This round is a rapid fire, so you might come across some words repeated in between. Please don't mind because we have to run. Ready?
Yes. A.
A.
Yes.
Your first word is government.
GOVERNMENT.
Correct. Monarchy.
MONARCHY.
Correct. Allegiance.
Can you please repeat?
Allegiance.
ALLE. Pass.
Capitalism.
CAPITALISM.
Correct. Constituent.
CONSEQUENT.
Wrong. Ordinance.
ORDINANCE.
Correct. Senator.
SANITOR.
Wrong. Referendum.
Repeat.
Referendum.
REFERENDUM.
Correct.
Time's up.
E.
Okay, ready? Yes. Your first word is catalyst.
CATALYST.
Correct. The next word is virus.
VIRUS.
Correct. The next word is osmosis.
OSO SIS.
Wrong. The next word is photosynthesis.
PHOTOSYNTHESIS.
Correct. Next word is anaerobic.
ANAEROBIC.
Correct. Next word is antibiotics.
ANTIBIOTICS.
The next word is correct. The next word is endothermic.
ANDOTHERMIC.
Correct. The next word is trilobate.
Can you please repeat?
Trilobate.
I'll pass.
The next word
Time's
is
up.
Okay.
D.
Okay, your first word is photosphere.
Photosphere. PHOTOSPHERE.
Correct. The next word is interstellar.
Interstellar. I'll pass.
The next word is exoplanet.
Exoplanet. EXOPLANET.
Correct. The next word is singularity.
Singularity. SINGULARITY.
Correct. The next word is magnetosphere. Magnetosphere. Sorry. Magnetosphere.
I'll pass.
The next word is cosmology.
Cosmology. COSMOLOGY.
Correct. The next word is spectroscopy.
Spectroscopy. I'll pass.
The next word is redshift.
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 Redshift. REDSHIFT.
Correct.
Time's up.
H.
Okay, ready? Your first word is levy.
Levy. LEVY.
Correct. The next word is treachery.
TREACHERY.
Correct. The next word is robust.
Rhombus.
Robust.
ROBUST.
Correct. The next word is repression.
Pardon?
Repression.
REPRESSION.
Correct. The next word is prostration.
PROSTRATION.
Correct. The next word is abolish.
ABOLISH.
Correct. The next word is espionage.
Pardon?
Espionage.
ESPIONAGE.
Correct. The next word is caste.
Excuse me?
Caste.
CAST.
Wrong. The next word is middling.
Pardon?
Middling.
Time's up.
B.
Ready? Yes. The first word is lettuce.
LACTIC.
Wrong. The second word is ketchup.
Pardon?
Ketchup.
KETCHUP.
Correct. The next word is flower.
FLOWER.
Wrong. The next word is raspberry.
RISCBARRY.
Wrong. The next word is asparagus.
Pardon?
Asparagus.
ASPARAGUS.
Correct. The next word is leek.
Pardon?
Leek.
LEAGUE.
Wrong. The next word is lobster. Up.
Can we see the points? What's the points? 60, 70, 60, 70. 370s are there, right? The second one.
Serial number 6, 70. 4 is 60. And 250, 550.
These will be selected only 3 of them. Now there are 3 persons who score 70. So the down one, you see the down one. Which one is the second round score? The down one? Which means 3 persons have got the same points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Two guys, 250s. Pick 70 and 60. That is serial number 4 and 6. Now serial number 2 and 5 tie. Yeah? So what is the tie question?
Hello. Hello. Pa hai no information ali culturally round walk hi lo bi ma to hai no to me dress change lai bi ma ta hai stage with back thalo hai no redistribute ni mai to hai no for dress we hai change lo bole once again culturally round walk hi lo bi ma to no to me we dress with jeans or a stage with behind him so that with a nimato had lisha than a subu.
Okay. The participants selected for the next round, for the final round, only 3 of you will be selected from this round. So the selected serial number are serial number 6. Please step forward. Serial number 4. And there is a tie between serial number 2 and 5. So you will be given a chance to spell 5 words each. So you may pick the lot. Serial number 2 and serial number 5. G.
Your serial number?
2.
2. G. Okay. Straight 5 words. Please have 711. 715. This is repeated. Yes, repeated. We'll go for this. I think this also repeated. Let's finish this I have just done. So we'll go for. That's why what I'm saying is this word is repeated. So what do you do? We'll go for this. If possible, you choose for those words that has phonetic transcription. Okay, this we might give them wrong pronunciation. Yes. All right, ready?
Yes.
You'll get 5 words. The first one is Poinasiana.
Can you please repeat?
Poinasiana.
Poisenia.
Wrong. The next word is Coreopsis.
Please repeat.
Coreopsis.
Coruipsis.
Wrong. The next word is Delphinium.
Please repeat.
Delphinium.
Delphaniam.
Wrong. Done. Thank you.
C.
C. Your first word is cyber forensics.
Cyber forensics.
Cyber forensics.
Forensics. Can you please repeat?
Cyber forensics.
CYBRFORENSIS.
Once again.
CYBRFOREN.
Next word. Your next word is cache.
Cache. Definition?
A storage location for frequently accessed data.
Sorry.
Your next word is quasar.
Quasar. QUASAR.
Correct? Your next word is shrimp.
Stream. STREAM.
Wrong. That's it, no? Thank you. Yes, so serial number 5. Yeah, 5 is selected.
Okay, serial number 5 is selected. Okay, this is the final round. This round we will decide the first and second. So you may pick the lot.
Okay. Ready? C.
C. Your first word is sarcomere.
Can you please repeat?
Your first word is sarcomere.
Can you please tell me the definition of?
The basic contractile unit of a muscle fiber responsible for muscle contraction.
I think I'll pass.
Your next word is mollusks.
MOLLABS.
Again?
MOLLABS.
No, wrong. Your next word is paleontology.
PAENTHOLOGY.
Wrong. Your next word is sarcoplasmic reticulum.
CYTOPLAS. Can you please repeat the word?
Sarcoplasmic reticulum.
CYTOPLAS. Can I repeat the word?
Done. Next word. The next word is sassafras.
Can you please repeat the word?
Sassafras. Up. That's it, no? Okay, thank you. Next.
D.
D. Your first word is planetesimal. Planetesimal.
Planetesimal. PLANETESIMO.
Wrong. Next word is diencephalon.
Can you please repeat?
Diencephalon.
DYNSAFFOLON.
Wrong. The next word is degeneracy.
Can you please repeat?
Degeneracy.
DEGENESO. Sorry.
Wrong. Next word is idiosyncrasy.
Can you please repeat?
Idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy.
Sorry.
Your last word is chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum.
CHRISANTHAMUM.
Wrong. Thank you.
B.
Your first word is heuristic.
Pardon?
Heuristic.
Meaning, please.
A problem-solving method based on experience and trial and error rather than formal rules.
Pass.
Your next word is numismatic.
Numismatic.
Correct. Your next word is squamous epithelium.
Please repeat.
Squamous epithelium.
Squareness or squamous?
Squamous. Squamous.
Meaning, please.
A type of flat, thin tissue that lines surfaces such as the skin and inner organs.
Squamusapethelium.
Correct. The next word is prokaryotes.
Meaning, please.
Single-celled organisms such as bacteria that lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Prokaryotes.
PRO. Prokaryotes.
Prokaryotes.
PROCARRIETS.
Wrong. Your last word is ailanthus.
Alienthus.
Not lien, lan. Ailanthus.
Alienthus. Meaning, please.
A fast-growing tree known as the tree of heaven, often found in urban areas.
ALANTHUS.
Repeat.
ALANTHUS.
Wrong. Thank you.
Serial number? Okay, the score is 4050620. So the winner goes to serial number 6. And for the tie, serial number 4 and 5, you will have to pick the lot again.
How many words? Serial number 6. Serial number 6, you may leave.
Aye.
So you will have 2 words each, okay? Your first word is franchise.
FRANCHISE.
Correct? The second word is baguette.
BAGGET.
Wrong.
Oh. Oh.
Your first word is butterscotch.
Butterscotch. BUTTRS. SCOACH.
Wrong.
Your next word is perigee.
Perigee. PEREGY.
Wrong. So the second place goes to?
Okay, the second place goes to serial number 4. Congratulations to all of you.
Hello. Jima video we ju program hai section a KKYSO bole. Ana ju we have limited time beautiful ju have vital so bole. My wish you know tabala hai khot vai so le ju hai next section evening section special guest Savio Khole Vice President BG YM Manipur State, Chairperson Oblisto, Invocation Prayer, Reverend N.G. Matthew, Director LBCC. Greetings from Mao Student Union President. Special item, Peach Mart Vision.